Hey guys, welcome back to Java tutorial series. In today's lecture, we will be studying about our last two character functions, which is character to uppercase and character to lowercase. These two character functions are not boolean type and helps us to convert the case of the input which we have taken or the data which we have initialized earlier. So let's understand these two character functions with help of some suitable programs. So first let us talk about character to uppercase. Character to uppercase accepts the data from the user, whether it would be a character in a lowercase or character in uppercase, and converts that into uppercase. If it is in lowercase, it converts it into uppercase, and if it was in uppercase, it gives its output as it is. So let's understand the first character function, which is character to uppercase, with a suitable example. First we will declare a character A semicolon. Then we will ask our user to enter a character or a letter. We will take the input from the user using the input statement for character in scanner class, which is A is equal to in.next char at 0th position semicolon. Now we will convert this into the uppercase using the statement char B is equal to character to uppercase in braces the character which we have to convert. In this case it is stored in the variable a, so we will write a semicolon. Now we will give our output as b. As you can see, it does not have any syntax error. Now we will run this program. It is asking us to enter a letter. We will enter small a. As you can see, the system has converted the small letter a into the letter a in uppercase. Let's try this using capital A. See, as you can see, the system gives us output in uppercase which we have entered earlier. Moving on to the next character function for today, which is the last character function which we will be studying in the class 10th in Java programming, is character to lowercase. Character to lowercase is similar to character to uppercase, but it only converts it into the lowercase. We can initialize the data or we can accept the data from the user. So let's write a suitable program to understand this. Character A semicolon. Let's ask the user to enter a character. Now we will take the input from the user using the input statement used in scanner class, which is in.next Now we will convert this data which is stored in the variable a using character b is equal to character to lowercase and the variable in which data is stored, in this case a semicolon. Now we will give our output. In this case it will be B because we have the data stored in the B after the conversion. Now let's compile and see. See, it is no syntax error. Now we will run this program. It is asking us to enter a character. We will enter capital Q. See, it has converted the data into lowercase. Now we will try using a character which is already in lowercase. Let's take an example as S. See, it has not changed anything or converted into uppercase. It's giving us output what we have entered earlier. Thank you for watching the video. That's it for today. If you have any sorts of doubt, you can ask me in comment section below. Thank you.